How to unfreeze update request screen on your iPhone and iPad. Force quit the Settings app. On iPhones with Face ID, from the bottom of the screen, swipe up. On iPhones with a home button, double-click it. Find the settings window and drag it all the way up to force quit it. Wait for a few seconds and open the app again. Go to General Settings. Click on Software Update. When the update is found, try to update your device. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. When downloading a major iOS update, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, the connection will keep breaking, and your device won't be able to download the update. We also recommend turning off VPN. When you're done updating to a new operating system, you can turn the VPN on again. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Delete the update file and reboot your iPhone. To delete the update, open the Settings app. Go to General Settings, tap on iPhone Storage. Locate the update and tap on it. Then tap on Delete Update and confirm the action. Finally, restart your iPhone. Make sure you have enough space. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to General Settings. Tap on iPhone Storage. At the top, you'll see how much free space you have. It's recommended to have at least 4 GB free storage space. Download and install iOS Update from a computer. Connect your iPhone to Mac or Windows PC with a cable. In the Finder window, click on your device name. In iTunes, click on the phone icon. If asked, on your computer, click on Trust, and on your iPhone, tap on Trust and enter the passcode. From the General tab in Finder or the Summary tab in iTunes, click on Update or check for update. If an iOS update is found, click on Download and Install. Proceed with the instructions on the screen and, if asked, enter the passcode on your iPhone to accept the update. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.